Hello friends, today I am going to share a very tasty and popular dish of mutton which is known as mutton dag banglo. We all have tasted this dish and today I am going to show you all the preparation which is also very easy. But before we go start, I would like to request you all to please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So let's not waste any more time and let's go watch the preparation of mutton dag banglo. Let's get started. Firstly, I have mutton here. I've washed the mutton pieces very nicely and now I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. So I'll mix the ginger and garlic paste with the mutton pieces properly now. The mutton is now finely mixed with the ginger and garlic paste. In the next step, we need a cup of curd, and to this curd we'll mix all the powder spices. In spices we have salt as per taste, we have lal mirch powder, we have haldi powder, we have jeera and dhania powder mixed up, and we have black pepper powder. So now we'll mix all the powder spices together in the curd that we have taken. So let's do the same now. And now we'll give it a good mix. So it's properly mixed now. So now I'm going to add the curd mixed with all the spices to the marinated mutton. I mean not marinated mutton, but the mutton which I have mixed with all the ginger and garlic paste. I'm adding the curd. And now I'm going to give everything a nice mix. Nice and gentle mix. As you all can see now, everything is mixed very nicely and gently. Now I'll keep aside the marinated mutton for minimum 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we'll start the preparation. Here I've taken a kadhai and put it on fire, and then I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. The oil has also heated up. Now in this stage I'm going to add the tadka. For tadka I'm here using lal mirch, dalchini and whole jeera. Now I'll add 2 onions finely chopped. The onions have turned into nice golden color, and in this stage I am going to add 1 finely chopped tomato. We'll give it a good mix now. After the tomato becomes soft, it's time for the marinated mutton pieces. And mix everything very nicely and gently. So after we have mixed all the ingredients very nicely with the mutton, it's time we cover the mutton with a lid so that the mutton gets cooked properly. So meanwhile, when the mutton is getting cooked, I'm going to show you all the secret spice for making mutton dak banglo. And here I have jaifal, jaitri, ilaichi, dalchini, star anise, whole dhania and dry lal mirch. I have grinded all the spices together in the mixing jar, and now I am going to add the spice to our mutton. So let's open the lid and check if the mutton is cooked. As you can all see, the mutton has turned into a nice beautiful texture, and in this stage I am going to add the secret spice for mutton dak banglo. I have added the secret spice now. Again we'll give it a nice mix. See, we have given a nice mix. Now, after adding the secret spice for mutton dak banglo, I'm going to add water. I've added water now, and now we'll again mix the water. And now what I'm going to do is I'll again cover the mutton with a lid. So it's been 2 minutes now. I've opened the lid, and now I'm going to add partially boiled potatoes. This is optional. If you want, you can use it, and if you don't, you don't use it. And now I'm going to remove the lid and check if the mutton is ready. Oh wow! You can see the texture is so rich and so lovely. And now our mutton dak banglo is ready. So I'll switch off the gas now, and I'll do the plating. So I've done my plating, and it is looking beautiful, isn't it? So this is today's recipe, mutton dak banglo. I would like to request you all to please try this recipe at your homes and let me know if you have liked. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.